It's August 27th. I failed in the last video, and today Hurricane Irene's supposed to hit, and I might be having to be evacuated. I'm not ready for this. And I'm hurt. Slept in a couple days, a day, but quite tired, and I really want to sleep. That's really it. Oh, and I really hate this webcam. I need to get it fixed because it keeps sliding down into the computer and it just gets black and works from here to here. I found the TV setup. It's just that I'm missing cables. It's annoying the shit out of me. Then I moved 2 heavy TVs for nothing. Thanks a lot, Steve. Thanks a lot. I think I'm gonna be outside. Oh, anyway, get the camera. Anyway, see you. Today's the 27th. The last one was supposed to be the 26th. I screwed up on the dates. I'll fix because I screwed up on the dates because of I titled one of them wrong. So yeah, see ya.